Welcome to the session on operating system objectives and functions. In this session, we will understand about what is operating system objectives, operating system functions. What is operating system? Operating system acts as an interface between the hardware and the application programs. It's an interface between application and hardware. The main objective of operating systems are convenience. It's very easy to use for the user. The second objective is efficiency, that is resource manager, allocating the resources to the system. And the third one is ability to evolve, permit effective development testing and introduction of new system functions without interfering with the service. Convenience, efficiency, and ability to evolve. These are the three main objectives of an operating system. Operating system functions. What are the functions are carried out by the operating systems? One is program development, program execution, access I/O devices, controlled access to files, system access, error detection and response, accounting. These are the various functions of operating system. One of the major operating system function is memory management. It allocates, deallocates the memory. It keeps the record of all the memories used by the system or the process. The second main function is process management. It allocates or deallocates processes to the processor. It keeps records of CPU status, managing the process in order to execute in the system without any problem. That is a second function. The third function of operating system is device management. We have many devices attached to the system: input device, output device, memory device. So all the devices are managed by the operating system. Keep records of all these devices, communicate with that devices. And the fourth function is file management system. There are many files used by the operating system. All that files are maintained, managed by the operating systems. It allocates, deallocates all these files and it decides who get the resources. And the fifth operating system function is storage management. What's the difference between memory management and storage management? Memory means it's a memory part built in within the system. Storage is the external storage, territory storage. We have hard disk, tape drive, disk drive and so on. All that storage are managed by the operating system. We are not able to keep all the data in the memory because the memory size is very small. So we keep all the records in the secondary storage. So managing the secondary storage is called secondary storage management. That is one of the functions. Break for questions. Can you answer this question? Operating system acts as a dash between hardware and application program. Among these four answers, what's the answer? Operating system acts as an interface between the hardware and application program. Second question. Which one of the following is a function of operating system? Database management, compilation, process management, software management? The correct answer is process management. That is one of the operating system function. So in this session we understand what is operating system, the objectives and functions of the operating system. Happy learning. Thank you.